What perfect timing and what a beautiful spot. This is Wolfpen Hollow Waterfall right behind me. It's about a 10-foot waterfall and it's falling a little bit, which is nice. I bet the rain last night helped a little bit with that, so I'm really glad that it's here. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, time for breakfast. Perfect spot to have it. There's also a campsite right up here with a good fire ring, a couple good spots for tents, so this would be a great place to camp. I'm at the Middle Fork crossing just past Highway 72 at mile 3.7. And I gotta be honest, I was expecting something a little bit more impressive. I mean, I know it's been dry, but I guess because these are the headwaters, they're small to begin with, but yeah. Middle Fork crossing 1.